Well, a word of caution tonight for fire victims. The California Bar Association says please take your time before you consider hiring an attorney. The recommendations comes as some legal firms are aggressively pursuing residents of Altadena and the Palisades to sign up. KCAL News reporter Tom Wade is here with the new guidance from the state's top legal association. Boy, they need it, right, Tom?
Exactly. I mean, the fires aren't even contained yet. People aren't even home yet. The causes of the fire, they have not been determined yet. So much fluid, in terms of fluid situation here, there's just a lot of variables, right?
Yes.
So it's very important to be cautious. So with so many fire victims in a fragile emotional state and potentially vulnerable, experts want families who are impacted by the fires to stay vigilant, stay patient, and they say there's no rush to find an attorney right now. From the Palisades to Altadena, the scale of what's been lost is still coming into focus. The real trauma comes when fire victims are finally allowed to return home. But even before the fires are contained, attorneys are bombarding those impacted by this horrible tragedy with ads saying they could be entitled to significant compensation.
We strongly encourage the fire victims to be taking time with their legal decisions.
Erica Doherty is with the State Bar of California.
There's no need to rush into an agreement. There's no need to sign anything. The recovery process is going to take time, and it's going to take months or perhaps even years.
We're seeing ads from attorneys targeted directly at those living in and around the fire zones, offering legal help, an offer to join a lawsuit, ads meant for students or for business owners. They're hitting across the spectrum.
For my sister to die like that and there's other people.
This is Zaire Calvin, an Altadena resident whose sister tragically died in the fires. Calvin, along with his high-profile attorney, Ben Crump, announced a wrongful death lawsuit against SoCal Edison this week, claiming Edison allowed a transmission tower above Eaton Canyon to ignite and spark the flames. But so far, officials have not confirmed that as the cause. The State Bar is cautioning people to wait for official information before rushing into anything.
There are going to be payouts from this, could take some time. And so there's not a need to do anything today. People should be focusing on their immediate needs, which is probably not, at least today, hiring a lawyer.
If you do hire an attorney, experts say make sure you read any contract before you sign it and do extensive research. Loyola Law professor Jessica Levinson.
So for people who decide that they do need to hire an attorney, that they have rights that they need to vindicate, they want to make sure to look up that attorney on the California Bar website. They want to try and do their due diligence and see if that attorney can offer any other clients that they could speak to. You want to look at the website. You want to try and find out, does this attorney have a track record? Has this attorney ever been investigated by the California Bar? Or to sum it up, I would say people need to be informed consumers.
If you do sign with an attorney, legal experts say make sure you understand your payment arrangement with that attorney. Some lawyers may not ask for cash up front, but that could mean an attorney will take a significant portion of any settlement that you may win. Pat?